Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see and learn and create croc nitro animation effect in our PowerPoint. So I'm going to preview the animation I have done so we can start it from scratch. So let me show you the work we are going to do in this video. So this is the work. I'm going to teach you how you can create animation like this on your presentation in the PowerPoint. So I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to go on blank page. So I'm going to start that project from scratch. So I'm going to add rectangle. To add it, you have to come right here and click on rectangle so you can drag and draw it on your blank page. As you can see right here, I have a rectangle shape. So I need this rectangle to be rotate, and as you can see, it can rotate in the middle of this triangle, and I need this triangle to be rotated at the end right here. So I'm going to add another rectangle, but I'm going to flip it so it can look down. So I'm going to copy this and paste to get the second rectangle. I'm going to flip it down. After flipping it down, I'm going to change color at none and remove outline of this shape. So I'm going to select it and place shift and select the rectangle or we are going to use. So after select all two triangle, all you have to do is to click on Ctrl G in order to group it, to to make it a group. So as you can see right here, I have this one, and I'm going to, as you can see, when I rotate this rectangle, it will rotate in the middle, not in this side. So as you can see, we have our needle of the croc, and we have to add another center part, which is circle. I'm going to use this oval shape as our circle. So I'm going to remove the outline of this one. And another shape I'm going to add is this one. Or to add a shape in PowerPoint, you have to go on Insert. You will see shapes right here and click down. You will see bunch of shape and choose the one you want to use. So on our presentation, on our croc animation effect, I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to draw a circle we will use in our animation. I'm going to resize it so it can fit my page.